Who is it? You saucy.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kara Michelle, period. So, I'm gonna dye my hair. I need a new start. So I'm in my boyfriend's bathroom and I picked up some hair dye. Well, I picked up a lot of things. High color, browns for dark hair only, in the color H5. So I'm gonna be pairing that with some 30 volume developer and hope for the best. So I'm gonna insert a photo of the color that I'm trying to go for here. Well, hopefully here, I don't know. So, damn, shouldn't be scratching my scalp. I'm nervous and it's hot in here, like I'm sweating. But yeah, I need something new. Like, I never wear my hair out because it's boring. I cut off all my hair like, I'm lying. I think I cut off my hair freshman year of college. So in 2017 or 2018, I don't remember. And yeah, this is the length now. I got it blowed and trimmed and washed, but it's puffy and it looks crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start mixing pure white. They said to use 30 volume developer, but 2.5 fluid ounces of it. So I got 4 of the high color. So what's 2.5 times 4? Like, I've been doing math in college for 4 years. 10. So I should have 6 fluid ounces left in here. Don't ask me what that is. I don't remember where I learned that the back of this tube, you can just like put it in there and ta-da, it's open. Okay, so I did my mixture. So I parted it into 2. And I'm just gonna part it here. I'm gonna start from the back too, just in case. And like I said, I only got 1 clip, so I gotta make this work.
Really, nigga?
That was mad rude. So this is one section in the back.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
That's fine. I'm ready to get this over with. Okay, so the instructions say for virgin hair to leave about an inch, because the heat from my scalp is gonna make it turn quicker. So saturate my ends up to about this point. I'm so scared. And my mixture turned purple. I could just feel my hair hating me. I'm gonna make sure I put like generous amounts because I really don't want to miss anything.
And
I'm glad I put that towel down there. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Would throw up. This is so scary. Like, how y'all be dyeing your hair? Like, I'm panicking right now. I'm panicking on the inside. Okay. Okay. I don't really know what it's supposed to look like. Ooh, this thing turned dark. Spraying my eyes. But yeah, it's like a dark purple now. So I'm gonna start back again. And in the back. Y'all see that? Talk to me nice. Or don't talk at all. Okay. This looks like, let me not say nothing. It looks like red. That's what I was gonna say. I'm nervous. I would do my eyebrows, but I don't know. I might have to buy another box first to see. Do that tomorrow or something. See how this goes. Ooh. This is not the color I was expecting. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm in danger.
I'm scared. I'm gonna go in the kitchen with a silver sink. That's better, and it's not gonna stain. For shampoo, I use the OGX Argan Oil Moroccan shampoo. This is an old-time favorite of mine. I used to use this a lot back when I used to wash my wigs and stuff. After I rinsed out all that dye and bleach and washed it, I'm gonna go ahead and use my conditioners, my Crece Pelo one, and then I went in with a second deep conditioner by Design Essentials. Just want to get that moisture back in my hair after stripping it. This is my hair with flash and the lighting from the bathroom. Once I looked at this with the deep conditioner in, I'm like, wow, like my curls is still here and I love the color. Like I can get used to this. Now this is day 2. I did some little doodle twists to go to bed. My hair is still wet, but guess what? Surprise! I ended up doing my eyebrows. Like I kept looking at the darkness and I'm just like, this is gonna bother me. You know, if I don't like the color that it is dyed, I can always just fill it in again with black pencil until it grows back. Now this is how I look with both my eyebrows and my hair dyed. I did this little style. Me and my best friend went to the city to go out to eat.